In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox encountered an unexpected error. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you're going to want to do if you have got Roblox open, then close it down first of all, and what you want to do from your desktop is come down to the bottom. In the search box you want to type Core Isolation, then open up Core Isolation underneath Best Match. Now in here you're going to see an option called Memory Integrity. What you want to do is turn this off. However, if you do use this option, make sure you do use a third-party antivirus software such as like AVG or Norton, as by turning this off this does leave your system vulnerable, but 9 times out of 10 this is going to solve the problem with that unexpected error, or even if you have the memory dump error. Now if you have tried this but that's not working for you, then the next thing to do is check the Roblox servers. So if you actually open up a new internet browser and you want to come across to status.roblox.com. Now on here it's going to tell you if there's any maintenance work or any problems with the servers, in which case if there are any problems you're just going to have to wait a bit until the servers are back up and running. At the time of recording, as you can see, all systems currently operational, so if the banner is shown as green you're absolutely fine, there's nothing wrong with the Roblox servers. If the servers are working absolutely fine but you're still getting this error message, what I would recommend doing is a full uninstallation and reinstallation of Roblox. So to do that from your desktop, come down to your search box at the bottom. This time you want to type settings and then open up settings underneath Best Match. Then what you can do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto apps. From here you're going to see an option for installed apps, give that a click, and what you can do is use the search box to search for Roblox. Now any instances of Roblox that come up, so you can see like the player in the studio, all you want to do is come to the right hand side, click onto the 3 dots and uninstall. Of course once you've uninstalled Roblox, go onto the Roblox website and launch any experience to re-download the Roblox player, and that should hopefully fix the problem. So that's how to fix Roblox has encountered an unexpected error. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.